Organizations calls for economic road blockade on November 20. Awareness campaign against anti with hunting health in Hawarkehat. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Several social as well as students organizations in Karbi Anglong had shown their frustration over the unrestrained encroachment of land by Nagaland in the border areas. Owing to this, they have decided to call an economic road blockade on the 20th of November. The organizations calling for the road blockade comprise of KSA, KAWJF, UKAWA, SYJ, HPYA. The organization had a joint press conference at a KSA office at Lambing Road on Thursday. According to the evidence put forward by the KSA, the Daldali Reserve Forest, established in the year 1923, falls within the boundary of Karbi Anglong. However, several people of Nagaland had violated the rules and crossed the interstate boundary to construct houses within the area of Karbi Anglong. Despite several talks and agreement among the officials of Assam and Nagaland to respect each other's boundary, the people of Nagaland had not stopped constructing houses. The administrative bodies as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have also utterly failed to protect district land from unabated encroachment from the neighboring state. Owing to this, the organizations of Karbi Anglong had been compelled to take action and decided to call for the economic road blockade along the NH36 and NH39 on the 20th of November. KSA President Simian Rongphar alleged that the people from Nagaland had dug out the border pillar 1 and 2 from their original positions to claim land within Karbi Anglong's territory. Organizations had urged upon Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal and Nagaland CM Naipu Rio to lead their respective governments to take up steps for establishing peace among the people of both states. They have stated that if the governments fail to take any immediate positive steps, they will go ahead with the road blockade. Bikram Cross report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. Continuing with its effort of campaigning against superstitious beliefs and rumors, an awareness program was held at Hawarkehat on Thursday by the Karbi Anglong District Police. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The campaign against superstitious beliefs, witchcraft, black magic, and several others including rumors of Karbi Anglong District Police was taken up to overcome the social evils and practices by creating awareness in society. The awareness program in Hawarkehat was held at Sangtimili Karbi Cultural Hall and was chaired by Hawarkehat VDP Committee President Hari Yadav and was attended by Hawarkehat Police Station OC Lintu Bora, Sangtimili SGB Devoram Rongpi, National Level Human Rights and Social Activist Dr. Dibya Jyoti Saikia, several village headmen and members of the area. During the program, several subjects pertaining to witch hunting, suspicions among people based on unverified claims and facts, and the dangers posed by taking laws into the hands by common citizens have been discussed in great detail. Resource persons in particular have urged upon local people to immediately inform or report to local police if any issues or similar cases takes place in their respective areas or villages. The resource persons also explain in great detail about the witchcraft and the activities relating to it and the dangers and harm it poses to the society. A play on witch hunting was also enacted during the program to assist people in understanding the subject in a broader and practical sense. The play was enacted by Mirmoy Medhi, Rituraj Sharma, Mon Saikia, Arsona Kumari, and Borokha Datta. Harsing Rongpi report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live. With MLA election round the corners, the Bharatiya Janata Party have also been gathering momentum with its meeting and pushing its various wings to reach out to various sections of the population across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Following this, the Mahamaya Minority Morcha convened its first executive meeting on Thursday. The meeting was held at the Mahamaya BJP Mandal Committee office at 11 a.m., which was presided over by Mahamaya Minority Morcha President Mensing Inti. The meeting was graced by EM Lunsing Teron as chief guest and was accompanied by Mandal President Purno Inti, ex-VDC Chairman Longsing Tokbi, District Minority Morcha President Probin Teron, among others. While speaking at a meeting, EM Lunsing Teron asserted that their party is committed to the service of people from all sections of the society without prejudice based on religion, caste or community. He said that the Minority Morcha, which was formed by the party, is evidence of its party's principles and commitment. He also urged upon members of the Morcha for unity and integrity while carrying out their duties. EM Teron also expressed confidence and said that their party would completely dominate election and emerge with a landslide victory in Harakhat Legislative Assembly constituency. EM Teron also claimed that BJP would get largest votes from Mahamaya constituency.
Cell Mandal committee lo ladang ni meeting do mane non ke bangi ni tum MLA election phan osan se ke pang tang nang na asi party la pen sarkar ke pawang ya phan si ni tum chepare seroi asi tini dang minority district committee pen nalang le Probin Teron ta dolo la pen ladak mandal level lo president atum la pen hodoi sa member atum anta dak do ele.
Samsung Intis report from Dongmukak, Karbenglong Live. The Bridge of Hope project had on Thursday distributed relief items to the poor and needy children of Malasi. Here is a report. The Bridge of Hope is an initiative of the Believers Church of India. Carrying ahead with their charity work, several tuition centers or childcare projects were formed to teach the students who have been away from school or those students whose parents could not afford private tuitions for their children. Even before the lockdown, the project has been laying stress on teaching and providing meals to needy children. However, due to the pandemic, the project was disrupted. After the relaxation in lockdown, on Thursday, the project resumed its activities by distributing rice, pulses, cooking oil, and other materials to the needy children of Malasi. The distribution program was attended by BLCC member Rangsana Taro.
Non-Nason Relief Fund and non-kipia son taxi la bangso aprang mede mil kipia teng bangke aprang la daksi methang a kitchen mate la bangso skulong se hanan same pibom same nono bangke pitekte det ta hypo la bangso covid-19 benajok la se nono bangke la son asap sap hormonang lian same somarapan la son hang si nonke ron non pinike ron son se ron bom pobosi ang song van nili tumhan kachini labangso keron nangji la covid-19 arele fan keron nangji ke arji dengkloi pan se ron nangji sitame ladak itomar lok ke bang kitam ke six sak pan ajo ron thek khedar lo dasi pini fan se nili tumhan se paron toilo dasi.
Around 78 children were provided with the relief materials. Children were also given awareness on safety measures against COVID-19. Arjison Rongpar's report from Dolomara, Karbenglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbenglong Live.